There is no need to search anymore. You are at the right place. We provide many mechanical design services that you must be satisfied.
Deadized paper drawings.
Send us the paper drawings. We will process with mechanical design software CAD, ICAD, Inventor, SolidWorks. Then export file formats that can be used for machining such as DWG, STEP, IPT. Create part drawings from assembly drawings. First, you should provide us with assembly drawings. We will process with machine design softwares. Part drawings are ready at your convenience. Convert 2D data to 3D data. Make 3D mechanical animation. You provide us with 2D technical drawing. We will process with machine design softwares. 3D drawings are ready for use. Move over, we can make animated videos for those 3D drawings or provided 3D data. In addition, we also support to make the data can be used to process sheet metal and machinery design support according to your request. This is a picture of our company's design staff.
Our workflow.
1. Sample drawings. We make sample drawing for you to evaluate without any costs. 2. Contract conclusion. When you appreciate our service, we will sign the contract and NDA. Get the bank account information. 3. Quote, purchase order. We send you a quote. If you agree to proceed, send back to us the purchase order. 4. Do check. We will process, check and send you the drawings. You will check and feedback to us. 5. Revision. We will revise the drawings according to your feedback. 6. Deliveries payment. We send the finished drawings to you. You will make the payment based on the account information provided.